Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mindful Crypto. Today we have Polygon Daily Update. Before we begin, join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. You can take easy profits even on a bearish market. Also, join our Telegram group chat. Link is in the description down below as well. So let's see now some very important things. We will discuss about the short term and the mid term. First, let's go to the short term. You can see that it is very possible that we close above the 1.10. If we do that, then we are going all the way upwards, guys, to 1.20 and especially 1.27. It is very likely to go even higher. I will explain why later. Right now, although in the midterm, I believe we are going down to 94 cents and not only. If my prediction is correct, guys, if Bitcoin goes down to 26,000 Tether USD, then Polygon will go even below the 74 cents. It might sound crazy, but be prepared for anything. So for the short term, I believe we will soon see a swing high, and I will explain why later. Right now, let's go to the MACD. The MACD on the 4-hour frame, you can see on the top left of your screen, we are on the 4-hour frame. And so, what we want to see now on the 4-hour frame is to hold this support line. If we hold this support line, then we are all good and we can have a bullish recross. However, if we go further down, we are losing a very strong support level right here. So if we go down from this, then we are going all the way down. And MACD, guys, looks very bearish on the 4-hour frame for now at least. Let's go now to the commodity channel index and the RSI. You can see that we stand in an extremely oversold situation, guys. So therefore, we expect Matic to go a bit upwards. Same with the RSI. We are below 30 and of course we expect to go upwards. We are in an oversold situation. Actually now we are a little above the 30, but we were below the 30, 21st June yesterday. Alright, so you have to be careful, although we might go upwards. Let's go to see the SSL channel. According to the SSL channel, the red line is above the green line, so we don't have any buying opportunity. Let's go to the daily frame. You can see on the daily frame for the commodity channel index, we are way below minus 100. So therefore, guys, we expect to go even higher from there because we are in an extremely oversold situation. Therefore, we will soon see Matic going upwards, right? But we have to be patient. We will see swing high, but for the midterm, we will go even lower. Mark my words here. So for the RSI, we don't have an oversold situation, but as I've told you multiple times, we are seeing the commodity channel index first to identify the bottom of the RSI. Therefore, the bottom is around here and we will go upwards from there. Let's see the ASL hybrid. We don't have a buying opportunity yet. We had here selling opportunity. You can see the red arrow, but now we don't have a buying opportunity. Let's go to the Bollinger Bands. On the Bollinger Bands, guys, you can see that we are near the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands, and therefore we want to go upwards. We want to go upwards from here because when we are near the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands, you always know, guys, we are having a buying opportunity. You can see here we approach the bottom line, we went upwards, and the opposite happens when we are approaching the top line of the Bollinger Bands. We are having a very high risk. This is a general rule, guys, but it doesn't apply first on an impulsive wave. You can see here we had a great risk and we went going all the way upwards. And secondly, it doesn't even, guys, apply on when we have a very bearish market, because when we have a very bearish market, we might go along the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands. So therefore, we have now a buying opportunity. I believe we will have a swing high. Let's see the MACD. The MACD looks awful. From here, from the bearish cross, we couldn't get a bullish recross yet, guys, after so many days, almost 1 month from 29th May, right? So therefore, let's go now to Matic Bitcoin. On Matic Bitcoin, you can see that we went down from this triangle and we approached this support level, a very crucial support level. Losing this level here, we go all the way down to the next price label for Matic Bitcoin chart. You can see the price label 0.4024. So we are going all the way down there. For the RSI, you can see we approached the 30, we had a swing high, but now we are going down again. So if we got in an oversold situation here, I am expecting the RSI to go upwards. However, I don't think we will reapproach the 30 again. I believe here we will go upwards. The reason is the very oversold situation of the commodity channel index. You can see how far down we are for Matic Bitcoin chart. So therefore, let's go to the MACD. MACD, we are looking bad because we lost this support level right here. So we want to maintain the support level. Now we are going all the way down, right? It isn't looking good, guys. We are hoping for a bullish recross here, but eventually I don't think we can reapproach this level right here. So we are going down, we are going to have lower highs and lower lows. Let's go a little bit the daily frame. You can see here, it is more clear that we went down from this triangle and now we want to hold this support level. It is very crucial because if we go down, we are losing a very significant support level. Let's see the daily commodity channel index. We stand in an oversold situation. Same for the RSI, guys. We stand near the 30 but nowhere close to an oversold situation, guys. So therefore, we always check the commodity channel index first. For the MACD, it doesn't look good. It is exactly like Matic USDT. Let's go now to the price analysis. Where are we going? Can we go further down from 94 cents? Yes, on the midterm, I believe we will reapproach 94 cents and eventually we can go even further down, right? We can go even further down to 94 cents. However, on the short term, I believe we are going to see a swing high soon till the 1.28 and above. The reason is, guys, that I believe Bitcoin will soon have a swing high, especially if you see the 4-hour frame. These two are big bullish engulfish candles. The green candle is next to the red candle and it is bigger. This is a sign of a big bullish engulfish candle. So therefore, I expect Bitcoin to just have a swing high soon. Because if you see the 4-hour frame, we reapproach the 30 for the RSI, we are in an oversold situation for the commodity channel index, and on the daily frame, we are in an oversold situation for the commodity channel index as well. So therefore, I do believe that on the daily frame, we might see another swing high from Bitcoin. So on the 4-hour frame, guys, you can see that we don't stand good. We had a very bearish moment where we went below 33,800. So for me, guys, I believe, and I will say it again, that Bitcoin in the midterm will go to 26 to 27,000 Tether USD. What is the future if we go down there? If we go down there, what is the future for Matic? I believe we are going to go all the way down, guys, to retest the 74 cents. I do believe that. It might sound a bit crazy, but guys, be prepared for everything. Be prepared for everything because we are on a bearish market. Not a bearish cycle, but a bearish market. And right now, what we want to see is that if we can passively wait and have a swing high in the short term. We need to have a swing high in the short term, and I believe we will, but please guys, be careful. If you are a midterm trader, then you don't want to invest right now. The reason is you can get in at a better price. But if you are a short term, then I believe we will have a swing high to 1.28 and a little bit further upwards. I believe, yes, we might go even to 1.38. That is our next price target. And of course, guys, after this bearish market right here, you can see that the Bitcoin is ready to go upwards, right? I believe it is ready to go upwards, and we can go even further above right here. So therefore, I do believe Matic will go upwards as well. Many other altcoins will go upwards, but Matic might close below 1.10 and might retest the 1.02 before we are going up again. So therefore, please be careful guys for the midterm. I do believe that we will go all the way down because Bitcoin will go to 27,000 Tether USD. I don't believe this is the bottom for Bitcoin. I believe that we are going all the way down, right? So you have to be careful, but therefore, before we do, we might see a swing high again. So, in my opinion, guys, I believe Matic will have a swing high. However, if you want to be more sure and you want to minimize the risk, just wait patiently. Patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market. Mark my words there, guys. And you need discipline, a buying strategy, and an exit strategy. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.